Plant FAQs, Tradescantia Blushing Bride. Let's face it, life can be hectic. Between work, errands, and social commitments, finding time to nurture a finicky houseplant often falls by the wayside. But fear not, fellow plant enthusiasts. There's a stunning little number out there that thrives on neglect, the aptly named Tradescantia Blushing Bride. This charming trailer boasts a cascade of variegated foliage that starts out a delicate pink, maturing to a creamy white, edged with a hint of green. It's like a living, breathing watercolor painting that adds a touch of whimsy to any indoor space. But the Blushing Bride's beauty isn't its only selling point. This botanical gem is a champion of low maintenance, making it perfect for busy plant parents like myself. Vu. See more 86 species in genus Tradescantia at monsteraholic.com. How to grow Tradescantia Blushing Bride. Here's the good news. Cultivating a thriving blushing bride is about as complicated as making a cup of tea. All you need is a little know-how and a sprinkle of love. Light. Think morning mimosa, not afternoon siesta. The blushing bride prefers bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through a window sheer. Harsh, direct sun can scorch the delicate leaves, so keep it out of the afternoon sun's glare. Soil, well draining is key. A good quality potting mix formulated for indoor plants will do the trick. You can also add a handful of perlite for extra drainage. Watering. Here's where the low maintenance label shines. The blushing bride doesn't like soggy feet, so let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. During the warmer months, you might need to water it once a week, but adjust based on your climate and pot size. In cooler months, water even less frequently. Temperature and humidity. No need to break the bank on fancy climate control systems. The blushing bride is perfectly content with average room temperature and humidity levels. How to care for Tradescantia Blushing Bride. Fertilizing. Not a must-do, but a feel-good option. A diluted dose of a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month during the growing season, spring and summer, can give your blushing bride a little boost. Pruning. This beauty grows like a champ, so occasional pruning is a good idea to maintain a bushy, compact shape. Simply snip off leggy stems or brown leaves with sharp pruners. Don't be shy. The more you prune, the bushier it will become. Plus, those cuttings can be used for propagation. More on that later. Pests and diseases. The blushing bride is a fairly resilient plant, but it's not invincible. Keep an eye out for common houseplant pests like mealybugs or spider mites. If you spot any unwelcome guests, treat them with an insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. What to plant with Tradescantia Blushing Bride. Looking to create a vibrant indoor jungle? The blushing bride plays well with others. Here are a few ideas for companion plants. Pothos, another low-maintenance champion with glossy, trailing foliage. ZZ plant, adds a touch of architectural interest with its upright, glossy leaves. Snake plant, a vertical accent plant with air-purifying properties. How to propagate Tradescantia Blushing Bride. Sharing the plant love is easy with the blushing bride. Here's how to create new mini-me's. Stem cuttings. Snip off a healthy stem with a few nodes, leaf junctions. Remove the lower leaves and place the cutting in a jar of water. Once roots develop, transplant it into a pot with fresh potting mix. Division. If your blushing bride has become quite bushy, you can divide it into multiple plants. Gently tease the roots apart and repot each section in separate containers. With a little TLC, tender loving care, your blushing bride will reward you with a cascade of vibrant, variegated foliage for years to come. So, ditch the high-maintenance houseplant drama and embrace the beauty and ease of this botanical gem. It's the perfect addition for any busy plant parent who appreciates a touch of pink perfection in their home.